text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Lost touch, yeah. Wanna do?
Okay, after realizing that it probably was not smart for me to have on a black shirt, I went and changed really quickly just so you guys can really see the hair and the curl pattern. Now, this hair texture is not new to me at all. I've had it years ago. If you guys seen those videos, then you know. This is actually one of my favorite textures from them, especially when it comes to curly hair. This is actually my favorite type of curly hair in general. So this is from ISEE Hair, of course. This is their glueless M-Cap Kinky Curly lace wig. It's a closure wig. It is a 9x6 HD lace, meaning it is 9 inches across and then it is 6 inches back. I do have it in 26 inches. However, I did go in with my scissors and I kind of like cut just a little bit off in the front. So this is their glueless M-Cap Kinky Curly wig. If you guys are familiar with the other videos that I have done on their M-Caps, they are fairly new and it's a totally different cap. They actually sent me like a little demonstration thing. The wig that's on my head, this is exactly what the inside of the cap looks like. So it does have the adjustable strap in it, which is the whole reason for it being glueless in the first place. It does have combs in it, but the combs are removable. I did already go ahead and take them out just to show you guys that they do come in and out. They have like these little clips here. If you wanted to put it back in, then you could, but I don't use any of the combs at all. Okay, I was trying to put the strap back in, but it's giving me a hard time. So there's 3 combs. There's one in the back and then 2 little ones here on the side. I've already taken one out just to show you guys how easy the combs pop out. So if you feel like you need them, you can leave them. If you don't want them in there, you can definitely take them out. And with their M-Cap wigs, they are so breathable. You guys can see you know, my hand through the cap to see how light and transparent this is. They also feature this little curved C-shaped design here where your ear goes so that it's not resting on your ear. So me personally, I really love that they started making the caps like this because it kind of almost doesn't even feel like you're wearing a wig. It's not like the traditional wig cap structure. It's super comfortable, very breathable. I never wear a wig cap underneath these type of wigs because it's really not necessary, because then I feel like I would be able to feel it. But basically what I'm trying to say is that the cap construction is very comfortable. You could wear the hair wet and it'll look great. You could diffuse the hair and dry it and it'll look great. You can even take it a step further and really fluff the hair out if you like really big hair. You could even take the time to fluff the hair out if you like really big hair, and it looks good. No matter how you wear it, this hair by default looks good. It looks very natural, especially if you get it in a shorter length too. Like I said, I do have it in 26 inches, but if you get it in like 18, 20, or you know, those kind of lengths, it does look even more natural, especially if you know how to do your thing and kind of taper the hair. Like it could almost low-key look like your hair. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a wide tooth comb and then just kind of fluff the hair out, just because I want to show you guys the hair being super big. That's just the mood or the vibe that I'm going for today. And then I'll come back and give you guys, I'm not even going to say my thoughts because I already know this wig is amazing. Yes, I would absolutely recommend it, but I'll just go ahead and give you guys like my closing statements after I do that. So in conclusion, if you get this wig, here's what you can expect. Yes, this hair is going to shed. It's curly hair. All hair sheds, but curly hair tends to shed just a little bit more, which that is completely normal. When I was detangling the hair, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much shedding I got from this entire wig. I just don't want to mislead you guys. I just can't stand when people say, oh, you know, no shedding. Now, sometimes hair barely sheds, like to the point to where it is like no shedding. But in general, just like the real hair that's on our head, all hair sheds. So me detangling this entire wig, this is all the shed hair that I got. You guys can see that. Not a whole lot at all. You might get this more or less every time you go in to detangle this hair, but just know that that is completely normal. Also, when it comes to detangling this hair, it is best to use a wide tooth comb, or better yet, a little Denman brush like this. The detangling process is so easy. Like as soon as you put water on this hair and go on to detangle it, it will not give you any problems at all. It's such a breeze. If you try to detangle it when it's dry, like I have noticed, it does kind of like, you know, it takes a little bit more effort or work. But if you just get the hair straight out of the package and then just saturate with water and then go in to detangle it, you will notice that it is nothing but just a smooth process. So detangling is fairly easy. You will get shedding with this hair. What else can I say about it? Really, that's the only two things. It's such a full texture, so even if it sheds, it's not ever going to like look thin or stringy or anything like that. That's just not the nature of how this hair behaves. Like I said, I've had this hair years ago, and it's always the same every time. I'm just glad they made it into a closure wig version, because now it's just like even more perfect for me, since I'm not really doing the whole frontal thing right now. Also, with this being a larger lace size and it is a 9x6, you could definitely put this wig in a side part. You can do maybe even a half up, half down on it. I definitely think that that is possible, because I feel like I've seen it done before on this lace size. So that's a plus with the larger lace. It literally stops just before my ear tap here, so it's almost a frontal without the annoying ear taps. Their lace is always flawless. I promise you, if you just tint it, put it on, it will not give you a hard time at all. The hairline looks super natural. I'm not gonna go in and pluck anything. I'm not gonna go in and put any concealer in the part. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm literally just gonna leave it as is, because I feel like it looks very natural without any modifications done to it. What else? It doesn't take a lot of product to get the curls to pop either. I just went in with water and mousse. Use any mousse of your choice. This is the one by Lotta Body. This is their foaming mousse, regular water in a spray bottle, and that's it. You don't need to do curling creams. Now, you can go in with those kind of products if you want to. I'm just telling you guys that it's really not necessary. I would say that this hair is extremely low maintenance in terms of styling. You could just put water on this hair and let it air dry on its own, and the hair would still look good either way. So that is also a plus, that it doesn't really take any effort to get the curls to really pop. Yeah, I really love this wig. Like I said, I've gotten it several times before, so I already knew what to expect with it. It's great. Highly recommend. If you guys find yourself being interested, the link is down below my description box. I'll go ahead and leave the details down there as far as like the length, the density that I got it in, per usual, like I always do. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.